Hey folks, good afternoon and welcome to Monday's Market Outlook here at Top Gun Options. My name is Matthew Buckley. My call sign is Wiz. And folks, what a you can't make this stuff up, folks. Nike putting Colin Kaepernick as one of the faces of their 30th anniversary. Faces. Just stay away from limousine liberal stocks, folks. It's stupid. It's down 3% right now. Facebook is down another 3% right now. These limousine stocks, limousine liberal tech stocks are imploding under the weight of their own hubris. And Nike, what just a stupid decision, alienating 50% of your customer base. It's like Starbucks, man. The guy Schultz comes back and turns his once great company into the world's largest restroom and needle exchange, and then the stock's down 5% and the guy leaves. Stay away from limousine liberal tech stocks, folks, and just limousine liberal stocks in general. You know what? I'm going to open up the doors on Thursday to one of our live trade briefs. So Thursday at 1 p.m., that's September 6th. Do me a favor, just head to go.topgunoptions.com/brief. And real quick, for current members, taking a look at our VXX bull put spread that we placed last week. Check this out, folks. This expires on Friday. It's the 28.5, 27.5. So this time last week, we got bullish on volatility. I said, folks, something's going to happen in the next week and a half to freak this market out or for us to roll over here. And we absolutely nailed it. Check it out right here. Every one of these rip your face off rallies has resulted in a pullback. I don't think this is the Fred Sanford grab your chest, head back down to the 50-day moving average. But what this is right now is a trade that's up. So last week we were potentially risking $5,300 to make $4,700. The trade we looked to get filled around 47 cents. Right now, mid-market is 17 cents. 100 contracts, that's $3,000. That's a potential $3,000 gain in under a week. On limited risk, folks, $5,300. Made $3,000 potentially on $5,300. So to my members, I'm going to send out a text alert right now. I'm going to close this because we might even look to get bearish on volatility, and we're going to talk about that at 1 o'clock in our weekly options live trade brief. So another reason to head to go.topgunoptions.com/brief so you can check out what we do here at TGO. Tactically, folks, what an absolute shit show at the Kavanaugh confirmation hearings. What a disgusting display of I don't even know what you call it. And in breaking news, John McCain is still dead. Where we are in this country it's just awful. Using a funeral to just a blatant display of partisanship. I honest to God, think we should send the McCain family a bill for them using Air Force Two. It's a disgrace. And then what's going on with the Kavanaugh hearings? I can't. You can't make this stuff up, guys, and it breaks my heart. Anyway, other than that, Ms. Lincoln, how was the play? We have to talk about China trade. We have to talk about North Korea. Hey, how about Amazon? We have a couple bull put spreads in our model portfolios that are absolutely printing money. I predicted this back in October. I said, get out of Facebook, get out of Apple, get out of Twitter, get out of Tesla, any of those ridiculous stocks, and target all of that firepower in Amazon. If you listen, since that time, Amazon's up 120%. It's the gift that keeps on giving. This week, we're also we got to take a look at EWZ and look at Brazil. Emerging markets have been getting hammered for the past month or so, especially with the strong dollar, but it might be time to do a what I call a Captain Kirk trade and boldly go where nobody's going right now. Good news for Raytheon. Japan has spent what? Billions of dollars on missile defense system. Raytheon is one of our portfolio holdings. We love Raytheon. It's another gift that keeps on giving here. So stocks are inching lower after a long weekend. We got a lot of data, macroeconomic data coming out this week, and also we got to figure out what's going on with trade talks. Towards the end of last week, the beginning of last week, Trump deal with Mexico. Trudeau looked like he was standing there left out, said, hey, I think we'll have a deal by Friday. The Bloomberg, or however you want to report it, more or less reported what were allegedly off-the-record remarks by the president about the Canada deal, which caused it to implode. I think the guy's crazy like a fox, man. If you don't know how a New York real estate tycoon negotiates, you're sitting in the corner sucking your thumb. I think the guy did it on purpose to get a better deal. So we're just kind of wallowing around here, but we're going to give some more of this back. But I don't think this is the big one. We are in September. September and October, just historically very volatile months. I don't know if I'm going to necessarily get short volatility. We might have some dogfight trades on, meaning some dueling trades, being bullish on volatility and bearish at the same time, and more or less putting them on and taking them off as conditions dictate. So actually, I got to get ready for our weekly options brief, which is today at 1 o'clock. But if you want to check out for free what we do here almost on a daily basis, head to go.topgunoptions.com/brief, and I'll give you free access to our Thursday live trade brief. Okay, have a great rest of your day. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and God bless. We'll see you.